Nearly a dozen families looking for somewhere else to spend the night. A massive fire, you see it there, destroying their homes. ABC Action News reporter Michael Paluska just getting new information from Tampa firefighters about how this fire started. He joins us live with the very latest out there. Michael?
One of these townhomes behind me were absolutely gutted when this fire came raging through. We just got off the phone with the Tampa Fire Department. They told us that there's so much damage that their investigation could not reveal exactly what caused this fire. They hope to have an answer for us tomorrow.
Hi.
Devin Geary grateful to be kissing her pets and children after a 2-alarm fire swept through the Brookshire townhomes on West Sligh Avenue this afternoon.
I still have my baby and my husband and my stepdaughter. Like, it could have been so much worse, especially with a 3-month-old.
Tampa Fire were able to knock down the flames. Thankfully, no one was hurt, but several animals were rescued, including a cat that was brought back to life using a pet mask. All night, police were reuniting owners with their animals, and while the flames devoured the second-story building, people watched helpless.
It was scary and painful just watching your house burning. There's nothing you can do about it.
Peaches McIntyre was inside with her children and newborn baby when the fire started. As firefighters sifted through the rubble, neighbors spared by the flames pleaded for the community to help these families in need.
It's the holidays and they lost everything and they have kids. So if y'all can, please just help my neighbors out. I'm just begging y'all.
And we just got updated numbers from the Red Cross as well. They tell us 8 families were impacted with a total of 29 people that they're now putting up in shelters and giving them food and a place to stay tonight. Hopefully they will have somewhere permanent by tomorrow. We're live here in Tampa tonight. Michael Paluska, ABC Action News.